We have been studying here at Lighthouse Bible Fellowship Church a sermon series called Why We Should Get to Know This Jesus. And we're on series sermon number 10. And we went to Matthew 16 where Jesus was asking his disciples, who do men say that I am? And the disciples spoke up, and some said, some Jeremiah, some Elijah, one of the other prophets, like reincarnation, right? Peter spoke up and said, thou art the Christ, the Son of the living God. And Jesus said, Peter, you're blessed because flesh and blood didn't reveal that to you. And he said, you are Peter, and upon this rock, upon the truth of that statement that you just made, I'm going to build my church. This is Jesus talking. And he also said the gates of hell will not prevail against it. That is 4 other good reasons why we should get to know this Jesus. Number 1, according to Peter, he's the Son of the living God. Number 2, he is the Christ, the anointed one in his anointing. And number 3, Christ is going to build his church upon that fact. And number 4, the very gates of hell will not prevail against that church. We are that